It was not easy, but I found the answer on my question. So right here, I already made a constraint on all my joints from FK, but right now if I want to constrain my shoulder, let's snap to rigging, apply, and it's a little bit strange. But what is the reason of my problem with this shoulder? So first of all, let's check our joints. For example, if we are looking at the elbow joint, right here you can see values. So this is my main joints, and right here you can see values, and they are the same on each joint. But right here we can see my main shoulder values, and right now some strange rotation, and the same situation with my FK. It's a little bit strange. I don't know what is the reason of this, but I should fix it. So I just decided to Ctrl D, delete all this. So let's drag FK right here, delete this, and upper IK, and right here FK. So right now, oh no, first of all I should delete my constraint from my main joint. So let's try, and again Ctrl D, delete all these joints, and again elbow to this joint, delete this, and right here, and again FK. Yeah, right now values the same, but IK you can see here. So again Ctrl D, let's delete all these joints, and this IK elbow right here, let's delete this, and right here IK. So, and again right here constraint parent, okay, and let's try again. So my control of my shoulder to my FK shoulder, constraint parent, yeah, right now it should work in right way. Okay, great. So right now we should work with IK, and I want to create the same control. I just took this control from script, but if we want to create the same control, let's turn off all my bones and mesh. And we should create a curve. Create curve tool right here, and let's press X. And just build our arrows. Enter. And I should turn on my model, not model. Actually, I can just press V and drag my control right here to my wrist. Okay. Let's scale a little bit. So, okay, but in my case, I just want to Control D my control from my left side. And again V. R. Yeah, something like this. But I should took my control from my hierarchy. No, right here. Okay. Let's just delete this. Okay. And I actually want to try. Yeah, it's working. Okay. So right here, I just want to Control G, create the group for my control, and press Insert, turn off my model, and with pressing V, snap to my wrist. And again, I want to rename my group. And I want to make the same axis as on my bone. So display, local, again display, local axis, you can see right here. So my joint, my group, and without maintain offset. Yeah, okay. And let's delete. Let's check. Yeah, right now it's okay. And also I want to duplicate my IK switch controller. Control D. Right here. But you can create in the same way as I show you creation of these arrows. But right now I should find my arrows, my control in my hierarchy right here. Okay. And again I want to check my previous arm. Yeah, good. R. And Control G. Something like this. And right now I just want to freeze transformation on my controls. Modify, freeze transformation. Okay. And I want to tell you that I created for my IK controls layer right here, and also I create layer for my switch between IK and FK. And right now we can just hide our FK hash H, yeah, and let's save our project. Also I want to hide my controls. Okay. And actually I want to duplicate also my elbow control. Control D. And let's snap it to my elbow actually. And again I should find my control in my hierarchy But you can create this control in the same way as I showed you before. And right now you can see that my transformation here, my elbow right here should be. Let's try the same. No. And no. Okay, let's try to create Ctrl G group for my elbow. And with 3, let's snap, oh no, insert, and only right now, snap to my elbow. And control snap to my elbow, and let's press modify freeze transformation. Okay, something like this. And let's rename my control. It's right arm. And group. Yeah, and right now we can actually create our IK, but you can see that my joints from my shoulder to my wrist, they are straight. So in this case, you can see right here value minus and some values. So for this, I just want hide my main bones. Let's try right here the same, minus in that. So I should open my attribute editor and Z, for example, minus 20. And right now we can create our IK even if my joints straight. And actually, let's try IK. Let's choose my shoulder. And this bone. Let's try. Yeah. but we want this point in this last joint in my wrist. And actually I want to turn off my axis here, and again I want to drag my IK this point right here. So let's choose our effector, press W, V, and snap. No, first of all insert, and right now, and let's try. Yeah, right now it looks good. And right now I just want to drag my IK handle to my control, and rename it. Handle. Let's try. Yeah, something like this. And right now I can actually make a constraint pull vector for my IK. So here is my control of my elbow. Here's my handle, pull vector. Let's try. Yeah, works not bad. And right now let's actually unhide my controls, my joints right here and right here. Yeah. And right now I want to create attribute for my switch between IK and FK. So attribute, and let's put right here R IK FK switch minimum 0 and 1, something like this. And let's press add, and right now we can see IK switch between 0 and 1, like in this switch you can see right here. So, and again, yeah, looks good. So right now I just want to select my control switch, and I should open Node editor. Let's press plus right here. Maybe let's drag this window right here. Let's choose this element and press right here. So this element will allow us to control our constraints of my main skeleton. So let's find them. And just drag them all right here. Yeah, something like this. And first of all, I want to connect my switch right here to my IK on each constraint. So to the IK and right here IK IK no IK IK. Okay, and let's actually check my constraint. Right now you can see this yellow thing right here. It means that my constraint connected to my switch. And right now I just want to drag them a little bit upper, press tab and right reverse. And this element will change our values from 0 to 1 actually. So we should connect our switch to input X. And right now this value to our FK in each constraint. FK, FK, and the last one FK. Yeah, something like this. And let's actually check this. For example, right here you can see 1 and 0. Let's try to switch to 1, and right now 1 and 0. And again. A little bit strange. Oh, so I just switch on this IK, but I should change this right IK. So again, 1 and 0, right IK switch, 0 and 1. So yeah, it works good. And right now I just want to put my all these groups to my note editor. And first of all, my FK group. Let's put this value to my visibility. And right now I want to connect my IK and my elbow. Again to my visibility. Right here. So let's check actually. Right now it works in a little bit strange way. And it was not my FK group. I just took this group from my switch. It's not right. So let's press right here. And my controls of my FK group. And let's actually rename it. For example, right here, FK. Yeah. And right now let's try put my value from this and to my elbow. No, from this value to visibility. Let's check again. My elbow. Oh yeah, I can see the connection. And again, visibility. And let's check again. Yeah, right now it works in right way. So let's close our node editor. Let's save our project. And right now, oh, and actually I want to turn off my access from this joint. Yeah. And right now we can see that when I in FK and I want to turn my wrist, it will work. But if I will switch to my IK, if I want to rotate, it will not work. So I should fix it actually. So let's try to put constraint orient to my IK wrist. Orient, apply, and let's check. Yeah, right now it works right.